This week's top stories.
Office occupancy peaks as schools reopen. Using IoT sensors to track occupancy levels, new data released by the smart building software platform Metricus demonstrates the back-to-school effect on office attendance. The weekly median for workplace occupancy for the week following the bank holiday on the 30th of August hit 70%, and Monday the 6th of September recorded a new high of 87% of Metricus pre-lockdown baseline. Hydrogen energy. How will it affect the commercial market? Renai's Chris Goggin has summarised the growth and development of the present European and international hydrogen market, including future energy proposals that will likely affect UK consumer options and costs. Germany is a prime example case study, taking a leading role in becoming hydrogen ready, not just for the aim of net zero but also for the creation of a whole new industry. The staff shortage crisis, recruiting and retaining cleaning staff. In the week of the 23rd to the 29th of August, there were a total of 1.66 million active job adverts in the UK, according to the REC's latest jobs recovery tracker. These are the highest weekly figures in job adverts since mid-December 2020. Neil Carberry, Chief Executive of the REC, commented that hiring businesses need to assess their workforce plans and work out how they are going to attract and retain the staff they need in the coming months and years.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.